This video explains how to determine whether a certain value is existing in a data frame using the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. As a very first step, we need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we have to use the data frame constructor to create an example data frame. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame object called data is created, and we can print this data frame below the code box using the print function. And then you can see that we have created a new data frame containing 6 rows and the 3 columns x1, x2 and x3. And all of these columns contain numeric values. Now let's assume that we want to test whether a certain value is contained in any cell of this data frame. Then we can apply the code that you can see in the third code box. So in this line of code, I'm using the print function, and within this function, I'm testing whether the value 5 is existing in the values of our data frame. So as you can see, after running this line of code, the logical indicator true is returned. And this means that the value 5 is existing in our data frame. And you can also see that by going back to our data frame output, and then you can see that in the first index position at the third column, the value 5 is contained. Similar to that, we can also test for other values. So in the fourth code box, I'm testing for the value 10, and as you can see, this value is not contained in our data frame. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.